Next ball, excellent delivery, just outside of stump. Jainam can't connect the ball. It's a dot delivery. Second ball, plates towards the third man region for a single. So Jainam open his account in the Yatis Premier League. The next batsman to face, no, it's I think it's one declared run given to Jainam. He will facing again to Manish. Down the leg side, and it's rightly called as a wide. So second extra run of the over. Again down the leg side. So it's another wide plus 5 run. So it's a 2 run. Again 2 run to the batting side. Moves to 5. Next ball, tapping towards the offside and taken speedy single. Now the new batsman on strike is Yash Tolani to face Manish. First over of the inning. Again down the left side to Yash as well. It's a white ball. And it's an excellent ball just outside the off stump. Batsman can't connect it and not even try to play the ball. Next ball, excellent ball down the left side and no run. Excellent fielding by Babu to stop the single. Coming big well Manish in this over. It's a no ball and it's out. Good catch for a side arm. So no ball. Score. No run, and it's a free hit for Jainam. And it's excellent shot straight down the ground from Jainam. Make a full use of a free hit and it's the first 6 of the tournament. I think it's the first match. Score 15 for the no loss at the end of first over. Manish ball very expensive over, included wide, many wides, no balls, and one big hit from Jainam 6. So at the end of first over, score moves to 15. New bowler is Kaushal Modi, excellent bowler of this format. Let's see what Yash Tolani can do in this over. And Jainam, full pack side both the teams. First ball played towards the leg side, taken a single, fielded by Akbar. Score moves to 16. Jainam to take strike to Modi. And it's a 4 run. Excellent shot by Jainam. Boundary 1614. Jainam is playing well for Kandari King, keeping scoreboard on a top gear. And it's out. Excellent flight take delivery from Kaushal just outside the off stump. Jainam tried to repeat the same shot and in the process lose his control. And so first wicket for Kandari King. New batsman coming is Shivam Shukla to face Modi. First score 19-20. First 20 at the loss of 1 wicket. First breakthrough for the team Kian to Kaushal. Shivam to face Kaushal. He is also a very good batsman in this form of top cricket. Let's see what he can do. And the first up is a 6. Excellent shot, first up. And the first up is starting with a 6 right now. Again, excellent ball, straight down the ground. Single to the addition of Shivam score and Kandari King score. Score moved to 27. And again, it's a good shot down the left side, fielded well. Only one run to the addition of Kandari Kings. Total moves to 28 with the loss of 1 wicket after 2 overs. Next over to be bowled by बल्ली का पहला बॉल और ये नो बॉल. इसी के साथ ये 7 रन और नेक्स्ट बॉल रहेगा फ्री हिट. स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 35 फ्री हिट. शानदार बॉल ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर. अच्छी गेंद ऑफ साइड पर खेलकर आराम से सिंगल लेते हुए केसर का थ्रो, बट बैट्समैन अपने क्रीज में मौजूद. अच्छी गेंदबाजी पहला नो बॉल डालने के बाद. और ये शानदार शॉट शिवम का, बट नेट के बाहर आउट. दूसरी सफलता मिली. Drupat Patel, very well known batsman in Mira Bhayandar. In every format, left-handed classical batsman. Second wicket for Kian 11. Next ball, bowler ready, batsman ready. Excellent ball, no possibility of run as there is Babu to field the ball. And it's a lofted shot. Akbar is under it and taken a safe catch. So third wicket. There is no cross in the catch. So new batsman will take the strike. It will be yes Tickle. So to Whitey, Tolani Tickle, yes. Tickle to face the next ball of the third over. After these 2 overs will remain. Try to play the reverse sweep, but not connected ball well, and it's a wide decision given by umpire. So 1 run to the addition of score of Kandari King. Excellent ball, but no run possibility. At the end of 3 over, 3 wicket. First run. 37 at the end of 3 over. Babu to bowl next over. First ball and only one run. It's a very good shot, but stop before the 6 line. Only single. 2 years and Kandari King totals. Babu to ball. Next ball to Pickle. Excellent ball. And there is age, I think, and it will be counted as a drop. But single run to the addition of Kandari King. 39 for 3. Babu to ball. Yes, Tolani. Excellent shot. It's a 6. Very good shot. Excellent shot. It's a 6. And it's a very big hit. And it's out of ground. In the process of making some fast run, Tolani lost his control over the shot. Played with a lot of power. And in the process, they lose the 4th wicket. New batsman is Ankit. Score is 45. In the 4th over, Babu taken a good wicket. Good batsman, 45. Babu to no ball. Next ball to Ankit. Down the left side and it's a wide. Score moves to 40. It's a no ball. Okay. 3. Excellent shot on the leg side. Akbar played well. Only 1 run to the score of Kandari King. Ball. 47 is the score. And this time Pickle connected it, but excellent catch at the boundary line from Akbar. So the 47 in the 4th over. Next batsman is Sanju. Very powerful batting lineup Kandari King have. .47 run at the end of 4 over. Kandari King the score. New bowler is Goda, Akash. To bowl Ankit. Nikhil, sorry. And again in the hand of Akbar. So he's feeling.
And again in the hand of Akbar.
Next coming is Bobby. 5 balls left. .47 is the score. Nikhil Ghoda, famously known as, taken a wicket. Now the Bobby to face the music. It was the leg side. Babu misses the one, and it's a run out. It is run out, yes. Again, no communication between the 2 batsmen, and in the process they lost wicket of Sanju at the striking end. New batsman is Ranjit. New batsman is Ranjit. Score remain at 47 as of now. Next ball, dot delivery, excellent ball by Ghoda. Excellent ball. Play towards leg side. No addition to the score of Kandari King. Excellent shot toward the offside. Just a single to the addition of Kandari King total. First 49. 49 is the score. Last over of the inning of Kandari Kings. They have started well but lost the wicket. Regular interval. And it's a catch. Excellent catch from Kuda. And it's a catch. Excellent. The regular interval in the process. They lose momentum with the run and ending up with 49. So the target is 50.
And it's a catch.
So two batsmen coming for Kian is Suresh and Akash. They need to score at a run rate of 10 runs exactly in the 5 overs. Kandari King also have an excellent bowling lineup in their squad. So it's a very good competition between the both sides. Best of this. First is a power play over, I think. First over to be bowled by Javed Bhai. Excellent bowler, known as a Yorker master. जावेद भाई बीच में खड्डा करने के लिए मास्टर है, एक ही जगह पे टप्पा डाल डाल के बीच में खड्डा हो सकता है. फर्स्ट पावर प्ले ओवर सिग्नल बाय एम्पायर टू बी बोल्ड बाय जावेद भाई. बैट्समैन टू फेस इज सुरेश कुड़ा. पावर प्ले ओवर. फर्स्ट बॉल जावेद भाई रेडी, एम्पायर रेडी, सिग्नल टू स्टार्ट. In the game, second ball to Akash. No possibility of any single run. Next ball from Javed Bhai, played toward the offside and taken a single. So both the batsmen open their account. 3 ball, 2 runs is the score. Delivery again, excellent fielding setup by the team Kandari King. Not easily given single to the batsman.
Two dot delivery in the power play over by Javed Bhai.
Shot and the drop.
Ball, Kian 11 taken by Javed Bhai.
And it's a first
45 run required in the next 4
Over.
overs. Oh, very good batsman to follow Kesar, the star player of Mira Bhayandar, and have a very huge task.
Second ball played toward the leg side and taken a single.
Next ball, Kanya to Kesar. It's a no ball and it will be the free hit. Score is 7. Free hit.
Excellent shot and it's a 6. So
excellent.
next ball again played toward the leg side.
Only a single.
Score moves to 14.
14.
And it's a big hit out of ground. Second wicket. Batting.
Kanya will bowl now to Babu. Score is 14 at the left. Loss of 2 wickets. Akash and Kuda back into the pavilion. Now responsibility to clear the target. Rest on Kesar and Babu. And coming batsmen.
भाई बोलना भाई
Chance of a catch, but played in the gap.
अरे अरे
Score moved to 14, 15.
पता नहीं पूरा लगी देखते आज रात को 12 बजे का था हाँ उधर ही हो गया
Then you have to hold 2 cases.
मिलेगा भाई 14 मैच हो गए हाँ हाँ करता भाई
वेट करके ही मार रहा है शाबाश बनिया
First check.
Played towards the leg side in the gap and taken a single. Score moves to 16. 16
रन 2 ओवर के अंत में 34 रनों की जरूरत 3 ओवर में 11.33 की रन रेट से Four more runs required in the next 3 overs. Next bowler is Shivam Shukla, next bowler against the likes of class batsmen Babu and Kesar. Let's see what can he produce for his team with his golden arms.
बाबू रहना देखो दिख रहा है वो अभी शिवम
It's a no ball and 1 run.
Taken by Kesar. So score moved to 18. First 18.
फर्स्ट प्राइज 1 लाख है सेकंड
3.
रनआउट पे अंदर भाभी रनआउट पे
Nineteen. Free continue.
शाबाश शिवम
And it's out.
For out of ground. It's a free hit, I think. So it's a dot delivery. 19 runs. There is a chance to collect a 6 run, but Babu hit out of ground. And it's a big wicket. Excellent catch from Dupat. Patel to face the
वेट करके मारते शिवम
ball to Kush Patel.
Excellent batsman.
Man, emerging clear.
And excellent shot in the low ball.
6 run. 26 score moves to first ball 6.
And excellent shot in the no ball.
Ball 6 run. 26 score moves. And
Excellent shot. Another 6.
32. Score moves to 32. Score 32. Shivam is proving to be expensive here. Excellent shot, but no run. He fielded well. Score remains at 32. And it's a wicket. Second wicket of the over. 32 run is the score. 18. And it's second wicket of the over. 32 run is the score. 18.
और ये बेहतरीन चेक किया शिवम ने। और ये बेहतरीन शॉट मारा हुसैन ने, बेहतरीन फोर मारा हुसैन ने, एक में लाया हुसैन ने। काफी अच्छी बैटिंग, कुछ ने भी अच्छी की है बैटिंग। 12-14 का मैच है। मेरे को लग रहा है नेक्स्ट ओवर बॉबी ही आएंगे। नहीं, बॉबी नहीं है, रंजीत है। रंजीत आ गए हैं। किसे टच में है, अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है। और ये बॉल और ये बेहतरीन वंडी मारा केसर ने। केसर ने बॉक्स का मारा, बहुत कंट्रोल खेल रहे केसर। और ये वाइड यहाँ पे है, बॉल टू बॉल स्कोर आ गया है। और एक क्लास शॉट मारा है, आउटस्टैंडिंग शॉट केसर कुमार शॉट मारा है, आउटस्टैंडिंग शॉट, बहुत ही बढ़िया, आउटस्टैंडिंग। ओह वाइड थोड़े प्रेशर में आ गया, थोड़े प्रेशर में बहुत ही राज आती थी प्रेशर तो मैंने पहली बार देखा है। सेंसिबल खेलते हैं, नहीं मारते सेंसिबल। क्या बात है, कैसे में अच्छा, बहुत ही बेहतरीन। कैसे रहना सीख 8 पे 2 चाहिए, 8 पे 2। और केसर यहाँ पे हंसते हुए, और वाइड बॉल यहाँ पे, रेटिंग अच्छी है। और ये बेहतरीन शॉट मारा है केसर और बेहतरीन वेल पेड केसर वेल पेड जोश वेल पेड थैंक यू सो मच
ये मैच के मैन ऑफ द मैच केसर सोनार